Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to apply rice water to your hair. Well, let me give you the 411 on rice water. Rice water is basically a boost protein treatment for your hair. It also pertains pH levels for your hair, which is very good. A lot of nutrients for your hair. It helps strengthen your hair, shine your hair, and it also promotes growth. Well, if you didn't catch how to make rice water, I have the link in the description box below to show you how to make it. Well, let me show you how it looks. It will have this whitish, grayish look. Some of them may smell very sour, but I have shown you how to make it. Oh my God. This smells so good. But I will show you in my last video of how to make it smell good. If not, it's gonna smell very sour, and when you get ready to smell it, you'll be like, ooh. It's very, very stinky. But I'm going to show you how to apply this to your hair. Okay, well now I'm going to show you how to apply it to your hair. You just put it in a spritz bottle, and I've sectioned my hair in 4 parts. That's the best way to do it. So what you do is you just unravel your hair, take it and spray it on your hair. And it's on dirty hair, not clean hair. You spray it on your scalp. Spray it down, especially on the ends of your hair. That helps you retain your length. Once you do that, and you have sprayed it on your scalp really good, now you just take it and you massage it into your scalp. Really, really, really good. I usually take maybe about a minute to massage it into your scalp. And peppermint, I use peppermint inside my rice water, which is a very good stimulating hair growth. It promotes your hair to grow. So that's what you do. You massage it in, and you just rub down the shaft of your hair, especially on your ends. And once you're done with that, you just twist it back up. And then you move to the next section. Okay, beauty, so we are back. We have applied the rice water to our hair in 4 sections. Make sure you massage it in for at least 1 minute on each section that you have. I did 4 sections. You can also put a shower cap on your head and just sit for 20 minutes, or you can have a warm towel and wrap it around your hair and sit for 20 minutes. I recommend for sitting for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Or you can sit naturally with nothing on your hair, but like I said, sit for 20 to 30 minutes. And once you're done with that, follow up with your conditioner. I'm using Mane Choice, the Hydrating Deep Condition. That's the one that I will be personally using. It does wonders for my hair. It just has a very sleek feel to it. So that's the one that I'll be using. But just rinse your hair out with warm water. And once you do that, just apply your conditioner and follow with your regular styles. Well, thank y'all for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips. Love, light, and peace.